Hello everyone! After a little tea break, I continued with our morning walk to tell you a little bit more about the tea. I warmed up myself with the green tea, and I on purpose took you to forest because now we will continue with one more group of teas. You might have wondered that I said that every tea which is fixed in the processing, or when the killing green is used in the processing, is a green tea. And you might be like, but that's not true. And you might be right. I said it because in Europe we know, or people recognize, especially 5 groups of teas: white tea, green tea, oolong tea, black tea, and pu'er. And within these 5s, one can say that the green tea is green because during the processing the fixing was used. But we have also the 6th type of tea, which we called, as you might see, as the forest can associate, yellow tea. Right? Very, very tiny group of teas, not so common to find in the market. Nevertheless, very interesting and worth to talk about, the yellow teas. Yellow tea is also fixed in the processing, so there is also the step of killing green in the processing and applied on the leaves after spreading for cooling. So the enzymes are also inactive. But afterwards, before finishing the tea, we use the processing step called yellowing. The yellowing is non-enzymatic reaction when the tea leaves are put in the pile, small or bigger, and covered by a cloth for 10 minutes, a few hours, maybe even a few days. This non-enzymatic reaction changes then the characteristic of the leaves. It changes the color of the leaves to be more yellow. It changes then the liquor and also the effect on the human body. For example, the yellow tea is then very pleasant on the liver. It's a little softer than the green tea. We know 2 ways how to make this yellowing processing. One is the wet thermalization and one is the dry thermalization. It depends if the leaves covered by this cloth are wet or dry. If they are wet, it means that the yellowing step is taken after fixing of the leaves, so after killing green, and these wet leaves are covered with a cloth and yellowed and dried only afterwards. It's more common for this daily quality of the yellow tea. However, it's also possible to use the dry thermalization when the tea leaves after fixing are also dried and then yellowed and then maybe also dry again. So it can be used before, it can be used in between or after the drying. Why we do so is that when we use the wet thermalization, the yellowing step is influencing also the taste, the color of liquor, and it provides a bigger change of the leaves compared to yellowing in the dry thermalization. Because as the tea leaves were already dried, this yellowing process only changes the aroma and aroma of the tea leaves and of the yellow tea which we get afterwards. So we speak about the beautiful yellow tea in this yellow, almost looking yellow forest, and I hope you enjoy. To recapitulate, maybe I would say, now we know we have also 6 type of tea, and that's yellow tea. It's also fixed in the process, so the enzymes are inactive, and afterwards the process of yellowing is applied to change the characteristics of the leaves and eventually of the tea itself. With this, I'm slowly packing it here up because it's really, really cold. My hand is freezing, so I slowly continue walking, and I'm already looking forward to enjoy the yellow tea afterwards at home. Have a great day, and bye bye.